This is
a torque converter. it transmits power from the engine to the transmission.
Big news.
If you're trying to be serious about this, it takes a lot of time and a lot of money and
Sacrifice.
a lot of sacrifice. All just like, I'd be happy if it don't break and gives any problems.
Going to Cecil tonight. Gonna test. Try to get. I'd be happy with a 7.7. What about you, babe?
I'd be happy if it don't break and gives any problems.
Yeah, that would be nice, actually. Yeah, let's go with that. We'll go with that for now. You look like a regular old truck driver with that hat on.
Yeah, right.
So to catch everybody up, we installed Duffy's engine in the car. That was the last video I did.
It's just a nice little minimalistic belt here. Don't need no tensioner. We don't need no stinking tensioner.
Right now we're trailering Duffy to the track. He's going to meet us there. We're going to finish up a couple things.
I'm trying to be more like a boomer every day.
We're testing tonight at Cecil. We did a tune on both ethanol and methanol. First start, we started it. Those are my notes, but
You're fine.
I am fine. Last week we went down to US13 at Del Mar. I took some footage of that. Duffy ran
The only pass we got through, pretty much. The only full pass.
806, I think it was, something like that. 804, I don't know. Big news. We're gonna race. If fingers crossed, I guess. We're gonna race, you know. Speaking into fruition, we're going to race at Pan American Nationals in Maple Grove, July 11th through the 14th. We're pretty pumped. It's a super big, one of the largest, if not the largest, import-only race, and it's really cool. It's if you have, I'm sure everybody who drag races knows about it, but if you haven't, check it out. It's wild. It's going to be a good time. We're super excited. The whole purpose of doing this in the car, was to see Edgar in his nice Sunoco hat. Duffy got one today. I'll pop the picture in there. And we got a cool little goodie bag from our sponsors, Sunoco Race Fuels. We really appreciate the fuel this season as well as last season. Very much appreciated as small business owners. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's gonna be a slow push back. I'm used to the four-wheeler.
It's Tuesday. Friday we were at Cecil, and it did not go quite as planned. So we're back at it today. Tuesday, it's a radial prep. So we should be good with that. We put the new tires on. Did a couple other stuff we needed to do, like extended oil pan.
Yeah, larger baffle sump. Made some modifications to the oil pickup tube because we were noticing that we were sloshing the oil. And yeah, so now that there's some available traction, we should be able to lay it the fuck down and make a pass. Finally.
Anything you want to say to your fans? Oh yeah, there's my peoples right there.
Replace that gasket.
Always talking shit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a Subaru STI. There we go, peoples.
Head gaskets are like fuses on them things.
I'm proud of you, Duff. You did a good job.
Yeah, but I mean, shit was all over everywhere.
Oh, yeah, no, just fucking.
Yeah, there's nothing. You're doing fucking.
How fast?